Hello everybody, this is E2S Easy English Study Program. This can help you to learn English easily. First topic 1 letter. Letter ଯାହାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଅକ୍ଷର. A letter is a written symbol representing a speech sound. letter ବା ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଉଛି ଧ୍ୱନିର ଗୋଟେ ଲିଖିତ ରୂପ ବା ଲିଖିତ ଚିହ୍ନ. English alphabet, ইংরাজি বর্ণমালা. The English alphabet is a set of 26 letters used to write the English language. English alphabet বা ইংরাজি বর্ণমালা ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ 26ଟି ଅକ୍ଷରକୁ ନେଇକରି ଗଠିତ, ଯାହାକି ଇଂରାଜୀ ଭାଷାରେ ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. ଇଂରାଜୀ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣମାଳାରେ 26ଟି ଅକ୍ଷର ଅଛି. Letters are divided into two types. One is vowel letters, another is consonant letters. Vowel letter first. A letter which is pronounced without help of any sound is called vowel letters. There are 5 vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U. Consonant letters. A letter which is pronounced with the help of vowel sound is called consonant letter. Example: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 21 consonant letters in English alphabet. Then we come to word. Word যার অর্থ শব্দ. A group of letters which express a particular meaning is called word. ଶବ୍ଦ କେତୋଟି ଅକ୍ଷରକୁ ନେଇକରି ଗଠିତ ଯାହାର ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଥ ଥିବ. ଫର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ox, dog, table, dog. Words are in 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters and many more letters also. ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୋଟିଏ ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଇପାରେ, 2 ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଇପାରେ, 3 ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଇପାରେ, 4 ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଇପାରେ, 5 ଅକ୍ଷର ହେଇପାରେ, ଅତ୍ୟଧିକ ଅକ୍ଷର ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରେ. These are words.